In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check competitors' keywords on Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see which search terms are bringing your competitors' traffic and how to read the key metrics that matter. This is a quick, practical workflow you can repeat anytime you're researching a market. First, log into your Semrush account. On the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled Traffic and Market. It has a small bar graph icon next to it. Hover over that, then choose Organic Search. This opens the main research area where you can analyze any domain's organic visibility. At the top, you'll see a search field. Type in your competitor's website domain there. A helpful tip: use the root domain format, like example.com, without HTTP, HTTPS, or extra paths. Before you run the report, make sure the location database matches the market you care about, such as the United States or the United Kingdom, and choose desktop or mobile as appropriate. When you're ready, click Analyze and give the report a moment to load. Now you're on the overview page. Scroll down until you reach the top keyword section. This is where Semrush lists the search terms that are most important for that domain based on traffic potential. If you added multiple competitors when you set up your search, you'll see their domains as tabs or labels near the top. Click a domain name to switch views and instantly see that competitor's keyword set in the same layout, so comparisons stay easy and consistent. Take your time here. Hover your mouse over any keyword to reveal quick metrics. You'll see volume, which is the average number of searches that keyword gets per month in the selected location, and visits, which is Semrush's estimate of how much traffic that specific keyword is bringing to the analyzed domain. Volume helps you gauge overall demand, while visits helps you understand the real impact for that competitor. Use both together to spot the terms that combine meaningful search interest with actual traffic results. A few quick tips as you review. Confirm you're in the correct country database if something looks off, and remember that numbers are estimates intended for comparison and trend finding rather than exact counts. Scan for branded versus non-branded terms to understand how much of a competitor's visibility relies on their name versus broader informational or commercial queries. And if you're analyzing more than one competitor, switch between domains at the top to see patterns and gaps at a glance. That's it. With this simple path, organic search, enter the domain and scroll to top keywords. You can quickly uncover the search terms fueling your competitors' organic traffic and turn those insights into your own opportunities.